2024 Mercedes CLE-Class. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE-Class is a new addition to the Mercedes lineup, designed to replace both the C-Class and E-Class coupes and convertibles. It blends sporty performance with luxury, offering a sleek design, advanced technology, and powerful engines. Performance and powertrain CLE-304 Modich. 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 with a 48-volt mild hybrid system. 255 HP and 295 pound-feet of torque, 23 horsepower boost from EQ Boost. 60 miles per hour in around 6.2 seconds. CLE-454 Modich. 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 with EQ Boost. 375 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. 60 miles per hour in about 4.2 seconds. Transmission. 9-speed automatic transmission. Drive. Standard AWD-4 Modich for both trims. Exterior design style. A sleek, coupe-like silhouette with a bold Panamericana grille, LED headlights, and muscular rear fenders. Convertible option. Soft top available with quick operation at speeds up to 37 miles per hour. Wheels. Standard 18-inch wheels, with optional 19 and 20-inch designs. Interior features luxury, premium materials, including leather upholstery, wood trim, and aluminum accents. Technology. 11. 9-inch vertical touchscreen with MBUX infotainment. 12. 3-inch digital instrument cluster. Augmented reality navigation and voice assistant. Comfort. Heated and ventilated front seats, ambient lighting, and optional Burmester 3D surround sound system. Advanced safety and driver assistance standard. Blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Optional. Active lane change assist, 360-degree camera, and advanced driver assistance systems. Trims and pricing estimates: CLE-304 Modich Coupe, starting around $58,000. CLE-454 Modich Coupe, starting around $65,000. Convertible versions, expected to start slightly higher, around $62,000 for the CLE-300. Pros. Sleek, modern design with sporty performance. High-tech interior with luxurious finishes. Strong engine options with mild hybrid efficiency. Cons. Rear seat space is tight, typical of coupes. Higher starting price compared to outgoing C-Class coupe. The 2024 CLE-Class is a stylish and dynamic model, perfect for those seeking the luxury of an E-Class with the sporty edge of a C-Class coupe.